Somebody, every week somebody take coconut water. You know how much costs one?
€1.
Or you just don't care?
€1. I don't care. I don't care.
That's not the right answer.
I mean,
Ready?
Ready?
Oh! Look! What you do? Look! This little girl love her bubbles. Hi face! Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new sunny day here. Can you see how happy she is? Say good morning to Faith. Look. Turn around. Sarah. Look up. Look. See Faith there. Say morning.
Good morning.
What are you doing? You guys, I am here getting 1,000,001 things done. The clock is just ticking and ticking and ticking and winding down for vacation. And I'm not kind of person like this. When I make my list, I'm making sure that I'm checking it twice to do all the things that I want to get done before vacation. You guys must be tired of hearing about vacation, when I'm going on vacation. But don't worry. Next week, I'll tell you guys where exactly we are going. So by Friday, when you guys see this vlog, it will be Monday. So by Friday, you guys will know where we're going for vacation. I think I'll tell you guys on Friday. So I dropped her to school this morning. Baby's off to work. I was home doing some French, took a break, took care of Sarah between all that. Here she is singing ABC and doing colors. She said she wanted some bubbles, so I'm here blowing that for her. I need to go and sort out my shoes stand because of the pandemic. So many of my shoes, girl, dry rot on me, especially the cheap ones. Dry rot, but all my good shoes, like all the Nikes and the Converse, those are intact. But all the other ones, my sneakers, some of them I wear them, and when I look, they're lifting off, and I don't have no time to carry shoes to shoemaker. The amount of money that the shoemaker is going to charge me, might as well get another one. So I have a few to throw out. What's wrong? What's wrong? You hurt your foot? Let me see. It's better? This one too? Alright, all better. So I am between doing that and getting some stuff done in the house. You guys know how it is when I have stuff to do. I'm just doing the do. Anyway, you guys, stick and stay. We have a lot in store for you guys for the rest of today's vlog. You don't want to miss that, all the excitement. Catch up and keep up, subscribe if it's your first time to the fam bam, and we'll see you guys later. So see you guys later. You want more bubbles?
No more bubbles.
Please.
Please.
Oops. The sun is cooking us. It is so hot. I am roasting. I'll be jerk chicken when I'm done in the sun. Ty, say hello to the face. How are you?
I'm very well.
You're very well. Okay, I like that. He said he's very well. Anyway, you guys, we're heading to the supermarket right now, and there's so much traffic on the road because there's a big rugby match right where we are. The stadium is just a feet away from where I am. I was calling babe to tell him that when he's coming he's gonna be in traffic, but I can't get him, so I don't know what time he's gonna reach here. But we're out here in these streets shopping for the week and the weekend so that we can enjoy the weekend. And when I say we're gonna enjoy the weekend, we're gonna maximize it and enjoy it. It's Father's Day weekend and we're gonna turn up on it, child. So we'll catch you guys later. You see that traffic? That's the crazy traffic right now, and babe will be coming right in it. Going through the supermarket on this Friday, and in here is empty. Can you guys see behind me? You know about it. It is empty, empty, empty. Everybody out living their best son life. But I don't mind. I like it when it's like this.
Not life. Best cool night. Because it's hot.
That's so funny. Banana. Look how empty the supermarket is. OMG. I would never expect it to be this empty on this Friday. Can't come to supermarket and don't pick up things for barbecue. Ain't no way that's gonna happen, shorty. My guess.
Cheese.
We don't reach there, so it means why you're shouting cheese. Alright, let's see what the price of salmon is looking like today.
9 euro. Super.
10 euro.
7 euro. Super.
11 euro. But this is a baby piece of salmon. Why them so wicked?
8 euro.
10 euro. Look at that. No. I don't
7 euro.
want it. Yes, but look at the little baby piece.
Take some salmon, please.
Yo.
Please. I want
But
some salmon.
look at this little baby.
Salmon.
Yes, there, but they're expensive.
Salmon.
No. Who wants some yummy snails? Anyone? Snails, anyone on the menu? Or you want mackerel? Unsalted mackerel. Look at this fish head, Ty. Ty, come here. Sarah, look at that. Look, what's that? Look, here. Oh my God. Look how big it is. Look at these slices. I don't want that. This fish must be tough and dry.
Mama, the fish.
Yes, fish. Look at the eyes.
Look, it's a mosquito.
It's not a mosquito, it's a fly.
And if you buy it, you don't eat the eye.
Dixième, c'était pas dans tous les collèges, il y avait 40 places.
He knows he look fine. That's why he still have his glasses on.
No.
Do it. Put it back. Put it back.
Finger me Matrix.
Put it back. It's because you know you look nice, you know, that's why you're doing that.
I'm hot.
It's time for the
Supermarket haul.
It's time for the
Supermarket haul.
You're too funny. Good job, Tyler. Good job, Sarah. Alright, you guys. As you guys can see, everybody's home. We're back from the supermarket. And babe have zero. Sarah, come back. Come back. Babe have zero idea what we got at the supermarket. Sarah?
I have an idea.
Supermarket haul.
What's on top now? But that's it.
Sarah, go and sit up, please. Hurry. Let's go. Tyler, this is your bag. Let's hurry up and find what needs to go for dinner.
Okay.
Ty, you cannot hold the bag like that because I'm not about to let it go. you know beginner is there.
From where I am right now.
Mama.
Maybe I'm wrong.
Wrong.
Doritos.
Okay, let's go, babe. Let's go.
Bread.
Good job. Sarah, what is this?
Happy biscuit.
What's this, Sarah?
It's going fast.
Yogurt.
No.
Mayo biscuit.
It's a Coca-Cola yogurt.
Juice.
You have a cake. Sarah?
Oh, yeah.
Bread.
You're already sure.
Just mistake.
Goat biscuit.
Yo, so to show your sister, Kai. Don't go so fast and don't show her.
More biscuits. Yogurt.
No.
Have the
She
yogurt
said
bag.
yogurt because I put that in the yogurt in the morning.
Have the yogurt bag.
Sarah, what's this? Look.
Cereal. Yogurt.
That is cereal. Good job.
Sarah, what is
No,
this?
babe, don't give me anything.
Yes.
Sarah, what is this?
Oh.
Open it.
Eclair. I don't know how you call that in English.
Wait. There's an explanation to the eclair. Tell Papa why you got him eclair.
For fantasy.
He tell me, Mama, his father there, we have to get cake for Papa. So I say, cake is gonna spoil if we get it now. He said, Mama, we have to get Papa something that's not nice of you. That's not nice.
Mama, this.
Well educated kid.
Mama. One for you, one for you.
So, he said he's gonna take it and one is for him and one is for Papa. He's trying to take it. It's not cake, but...
Sarah,
Yes.
I'm in the ice cream
Sit here.
bag. I see strawberry mix.
It's for smoothie.
Frozen.
finish my
We have
bag.
a strawberry ice cream.
Coconut water for milk.
Broccoli.
Good job. Sarah, what's this?
Oh, we have a lemon ice cream.
Yes.
I think I choose
Tyler,
this
of
one.
course, had to be. You soon Monster Munch, Sarah. More coconut water.
Oh, 6 ham. 6 ham. You know we're going somewhere. To have 6 ham, we have to go somewhere.
Look at Sarah, she hungry.
Frozen food.
Frozen mango, I saw no pineapple.
Sausage for barbecue.
Yes.
Sausage. Not for
Let's see,
barbecue.
Sarah, know what is Sarah, what is this? What's this?
Yeah, frozen stuff.
Popcorn.
Corn, not popcorn, but corn.
Chicken.
I buy extra flour, bought extra flour. Why mama about flour, Tyler?
Chicken.
What mama gonna attempt to make?
Oh, you're gonna try without me, right?
Right.
You just said that.
I'm gonna try without you?
Yeah, you're gonna try to make it. You won't ask me to do it.
No, I have the recipe and the method.
Okay.
So I'm gonna try it on my own without you. I don't
Mama.
need you.
Nuggets.
This is something in French that I need to master. Kurt. I'm gonna attempt it tomorrow.
Oh, we have a bunch. Oh, mini
No,
burger.
Maybe
I was about to
tomorrow.
say it's like a dessert is like mini donuts. No, it's mini burger.
And give credit to Tyler because Tyler said I'm to take the one that have mixed with bacon because Papa loves bacon. So credit to your son for looking out for you.
I always give him credit. He's a good boy.
That's why I'm going to wing to rock paper scissors.
Alright, I love the energy, I love the vibe. We'll see. Let's see. Let's get there first.
I'm gonna let him win because he's nice.
Mama.
No!
No.
You soon get cheese.
No.
Heavy cream. More juice
No.
for the fam bam. What's this, Sarah?
Near.
Yeah, this is for this. Yeah. Yeah.
What's wrong? What's wrong?
Sarah, what is this?
Yeah.
It's sweet pepper. You see what they do with me, bad? That's what they love doing. Mosquito destroyer. Mosquito.
Sarah?
Not mosquito, you know, mosquito.
What is that, Sarah?
Destroyer.
Papa.
Wow.
Go, bag. One more bag to go. What is this?
A banana.
Strawberry.
Strawberries and banana. What is this? What is it?
It's pink.
Yes, it's pink, but what is it? Nail to remove hair.
Oh, somebody every weeks somebody take coconut water. You know how much costs one?
€1.
Or you just don't care?
€1. I don't care. I don't care.
That's not the right answer.
I mean,
€1 something for one, and I always take
How many
4.
euros?
I
You say
try to-
€1. When it's $1.99.
No, I
you
said
say
€1 something. I said €1 something.
$1.99.
No, I said €1 something. That's not what I
$1.99.
said. I took 4 because if I take any more than that, I'm gonna kill them. I
That's the
tried
one
to
that
limit
they
myself to 1 a day.
Naughty.
To 1 a day, and today is Friday, so 1 is gonna go today. So I have 3 more, and by Sunday they
Honey.
makeup wipes. Milk for the princess. And juice for the kids.
And now, time for some rock, paper, scissors.
Time for the
It's not that
king.
much today.
Rock, paper,
Alright, let's go. Watch ya, man. Take off them glasses. Ready for lose. Ready, Sarah?
Ready?
Come on, Tiger.
Don't encourage me because sometimes when we encourage it can
You can't manage the pressure.
can
You can't
it
manage
can
the
Make you lose
pressure.
focus.
Yep.
Alright.
yes.
But I get excited. Alright.
You can laugh, but you can have a smile, but you can't encourage.
I can't help my expression. Let's go. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. 1 papa. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. 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 1 tie. What is going on? 1 tie, 1 papa. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. 2 papa. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
But it's okay. It's okay.
It's okay. It's
This time I'm happy for him because he's happy for me even if I didn't lose because I'm nice with him. So I'm happy for him.
Next week, Corona come again. Can you hear the silence in the room when Sarah? Could you hear the silence in the room when Tyler lost?
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
It's like everybody, even babe go. Oi.
Not at all. Not at all. I'm just excited inside me.
Strawberry. Mama, strawberry. La table.
What you supposed to say?
Alright, let's.
Please.
Please.
Mama, may I have strawberry, please?
Mama. Strawberry, please. Mama, may I have strawberry, please? Mama, need strawberry, please.
Yes.
Mama,
I want to give you a strawberry.
Eat strawberry, please.
Anyway, you guys, I bought these mini burgers at the supermarket, so I'm gonna put them in the oven right now.
Look, blueberry and a bit.
Yes, blueberry.
And a bit of strawberry, please.
You want strawberry also? Okay. Mini burgers that I bought at the supermarket. Look so good. And you guys, look, I have bami. This is my last bami that I had left in the freezer, so I took it out today and put it in some water with some sugar. Disclaimer, I do not like my bami in milk. Sugar always and water. The best tasting bami. That's just my opinion. Everybody have their own opinion, but yeah. I'm gonna fry these bad boys right now though.